All right, well, here we are. We got everything plumbed in. We're all set up in the woods. All the valves are closed, so we're gonna fire it up and see what happens. Fuel's on. Had it running a few minutes ago, so we should be good there. That's just an idle. There. Go down and look at the releaser and see what that says. A little muddy down here. Should be fixed by tomorrow. It's supposed to be 14 degrees tomorrow as a high. So now we're at 20. It's still creeping up. About 21. So maybe I can show you how this works. So right now the float's up on this side. So the vacuum is on that far tank. So what'll happen is this fills up, that float in the other side will come up, and when it trips, this piece here will slide over, break the vacuum on that side, and let it dump. So we'll see if we can replicate that, just like that. So then obviously when this side fills up, this float will come up and switch back over the other side. So I am by no means an expert on these releasers, but I'm pretty sure that's the way it's supposed to work. So we're up to not quite, probably about 22 pounds. See if I can zoom in on the camera's that good. So 25 on the releaser, or on the vacuum pump, just over 25. And 22 and a half. It's still creeping up over here. If anybody's familiar with these vacuum powered or rather gas-powered vacuum pumps, if anybody can tell me like what I'm supposed to be running it at. Obviously it's not wide open, it's just above an idle, and it's already drawing that much. So if you got any insight on that, I'd appreciate it. All right, well, we're up here in the woods, and as you can see, we have vacuum. So we ran the vacuum pump for a little bit. That one says 19. This one over here, I think I got to calibrate. Take that little plug out of the top there. That right on top there's a little black plug. We got to take that out and let it settle back, because that one says 22. And I just talked with Jimbo, and it's about 19 down at the releaser. So I'm thinking that's gauge is the problem. So we are good to go so far. No leaks anywhere. It's been holding for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes up here, so it's a good sign. So now we'll come back and start drilling holes in the main line and putting in our saddles and tying all these lateral lines in. You can see them up through the woods there. And once we're doing that, we'll come back and start with the with putting the drops in. So stay tuned. That's it for now, and please like and subscribe the videos and help us to our goal of 100. So we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.